O, ganun na lang yung sequence. Sino yung nauna? Go! Okay, both team got 1 right.
Dalawa yun.
Oh, sorry, 2 for Ate Dai's team. 1 right for Carson team. Ate Dai's team got 2 rights. Okay, next.
Kicking Jackie Chan, kicking Jackie Chan.
Okay, Kuya Carson team's got 1 right. Ate Dai's team got 2 rights.
Just cause they heard where I'm from, they think I'm
Okay, next.
okay. Well, I be just a little crazy. Cause I ain't no crazy, but fling it to the world, it's fucking great. I be slave, run your motion, cause I'm running out.
Uy!
No coaching, please. Okay, Nakin, okay. Kuya Carson team got 0 right. Ate Dai team got 3 right. Okay, kay Kuya Carson got 1 right. Ate Dai's team got 2 right.
Go!
Pakigalaw po yung mga baso. Hindi po usap lang to. Laro po ito. Ay, okay na po ba? Sorry. Okay, Kuya Carson team's got 1 right.
Hindi.
Ah?
0. Ah,
1. Yung nagabulong ko dito, mali naman yung binubulong.
sorry. 1.
And then, for Ate Dai's team got 1 right. Basta pagkatapos nito, mapipinsan pa din, ha? Okay. Okay, both teams got 1 right. Ay, 0 right. Sorry. 0. 1 dito, 0 dito.
Lost? Yeah. The ladies?
Hindi ba yata sila nagalaw?
Okay. Kuya Carson teams got 2 right. And then Ate Dice teams got 2 right.
Ang hirap din pala no pag...
Ayun ang pag-apat. Kasi pag lang alam mo yung ginagalaw.
Hindi, mahirap pagka nag-uusap, pinag-uusapan pa eh.
Okay, both team got 2 right.
Probability. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are 25%. 25%. So, we need to know
Tatalas ng mga memory nyo.
Okay. Kuya Carson team got 1 right.
Two.
Sorry, 2. And then Ate Dice team got 2 rights also.
Kasi kanina, purple ko kanina, balik na dito.
Pag mga, sino ba color blinded sa inyo? Alisin niyo muna. Color blinded ka pala eh.
Uy.
Kuya Carson team got 3 right.
Oh.
3. And then Ate Dice team got 2 rights. Tama, huminga ka na lang ng malalim.
Nagbago na kayo? Nagbago na kayo?
Okay. Kuya, both teams got 2 rights.
Tama yung green.
Galing